Hello students, today we'll discuss the examples of different types of inheritance. First, first type is single inheritance. Single inheritance. This is very simple inheritance in which in single inheritance in which the derive the properties of the already defined class in only one level, in only single level. See the form and circle. Circle is derived from the form in this example. So this is very simple. We'll not discuss detail this single inheritance. So we'll discuss the next type of inheritance, which is the multiple inheritance. See the syntax multiple inheritance. See the syntax of this multiple inheritance. The class, derived class, then colon, then we write the access specifier, the name of the base class one, comma, then access specifier, the name of the another base class. Here base class 2. Then open curly bracket. Inside this we can write the code. Then close curly bracket. See the example of this multiple inheritance. The class result colon public student comma public staff. Open curly bracket dot means here you can write the code. Then after that the close curly bracket. See the example of multiple inheritance. The student sport derived the statement. Student from student and sport will get the statement. The arrow in this example consider the arrow from student to statement and sport to statement. Okay, student to statement arrow is there. Same the sport to statement arrow is there. With the example of this multiple inheritance using the code of C++ hash include iostream.h, then hash include punyo.h, the class student in protected access specifier int rno comma m1 comma m2 semi-comma in public section, or you can say public access specifier void get cout enter the roll number c in r number by accepting the roll number, then cout enter the 2 mark c in m1 again m2 class port in protected access specifier in SM. SM equal to sport mark. Consider consider here SM equal to sport mark. Then in public access specifier, what get SM, get sport mark. Get SM means get sport mark. Then open curly bracket, see out, enter the sport mark, semi-comma, seen ESM semi-comma. Then ZSM function complete, the sport class complete, semi-comma. See the example of this multiple inheritance here. The class statement colon public student comma public sport, then open curly bracket here int tot comma avg total, tot means total, avg means average, semi comma. In public access white display method is there. Open curly bracket tot equal to in bracket m1 plus m2 plus sm bracket complete, semi comma. Avg equal to tot divided by 3 cout roll number Rno, 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 total TOT. Okay. Then cout insertion, insertion operator is there. This average. Then again insertion AVG semi-comma. Display function complete. Then class statement complete semi-comma. This is the example of multiple inheritance. In this example, the statement class statement derived from the two base class, student and the sport. Okay. So accessing the properties of the two classes, student, one is student and another is sport, and we have created the class statement. Okay, and also it has the functionality of the student and sport. And also we can declare or specify here its own unique function or property there. So this is the example of multiple inheritance. See the example of this multiple inheritance into main class, main function, open curly bracket, clear screen, semi-comma, statement, OBG. You have, you have declared the object of the statement OBG, OBG dot get, then OBG dot get SM, OBG dot display. These are the functions which we can access using the object of the statement. Then get ch, plus return 0, semi-comma, close curly bracket. Now hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. See the syntax of hierarchical inheritance. The important type of inheritance. This is also one important type of inheritance, which is hierarchical inheritance. Syntax. Class, direct class 1, colon, access specifier, base class. Open curly bracket. Inside this you can write the code. Then after that, close curly bracket. Then see the another derived class is create another derived class is created from the base class, which is here derived class 2, class derived class 2 colon access specifier base class. Means here in hierarchical inheritance we can create the more classes, or we can derive the more subclasses from the single base class. So in this example we derive the two classes, derived class 1 and derived class 2. So in syntax here, the class derived class 2 colon accesses are base class. Then open curly bracket. After that, we can write the code here. Then after that, close curly bracket. Example here, example class student colon public person. Open curly bracket dot means here we can write the code. Then close curly bracket. Then class staff colon. We here this is the derived class 2. Staff is the derived class 2 which also inherits the same base class which is person. Okay, access is the specifier for this person is public. Then open curly bracket dot means here we can write the code here. Then after that close curly bracket. See the example of the hierarchical inheritance. In this example also, in this diagram also, consider the arrow from person to student and from person to teacher. Okay, this in this example person is base class and student is derived class 1 and teacher is derived class 2. See in this code hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, then class person in private access as well, character name array of 20 semicolon, long int phone number, where phno means phone number. In public access as well, void read cout, enter name, cout enter the name, then cin name, cout enter ph number means phone number, cin phone number. We have to enter the phone number here. Okay, user will enter the name and phone number in this read function. Then another function in this person class is void show. Void show means it displays the name and phone number which you have entered. So cout name and cout phone number. Cout along with cout we use the like, this arrow means here the display, using this we can display the text on the screen. Insertion operator. Insert this and this type of operator is known as insertion operator. Okay, and with seen extraction operator is there. Extraction operator will extract the information from the user. So extraction operator. And cout is insertion operator. Along with cout, we use the insertion operator. Along with the scene, we use the extraction operator. So here example of hierarchical inheritance, class student colon public person open curly bracket private int roll number character course array of 20 semicolon public section void reading the uh, reading the information. Okay, person in this also person scope resolution operator read person scope resolution read here the he is accessing the read function of the person here in the read function of the student. Okay, then along with this along with the read function of the person also reading the some another accepting some another data like enter roll number. So scene roll you have to enter the roll number specific to the this function specific to the class of student. Then also CO enter course is also related to the class student only. Okay, not person. Okay, then then I have written here the white show method of the student class. In this white show, it also accessing the white it also accessing the show method of the person. So person scope resolution operator show. Along with this show method, it also displaying the another information like roll number, code. So see out roll number and see out course. Then I have completed here the white show method, completed the student class, then semi-comma, then C. The another their class, which is the teacher. So class teacher colon public person. Open curly bracket in private section or private access square like private colon character department name array of the 10 semi-comma. Then character qualification array of 10 semi-comma. In public access square the read method is there. Void read. It also accessing the or using the read method of the person. So in the read person scope resolution operator read semi-comma. See out enter the department name and qualification. In scene department name and qualification that you have to enter. Okay, that you have to enter using scene. Then white show also display the entire information along with the enter enter information means a department and qualification along with the information of the person class. So white show I have used here the show method of the person scope resolution of the show semicolon. Then see out department department name. See out qualification. Then white show method completed class completed semicolon. See the example of hierarchical class with the again the main function driver function int main clear screen int main open curly bracket then clear clr xcr semicolon student s1 have created the object of the student class. See out enter the student information s1 dot read again see out displaying the student information s1 dot show. Now I've created the object of the teacher teacher t1. Then see out enter the teacher information the t1 dot read the teacher information then see out displaying the teacher information so t1 dot show semicolon then get ch semicolon return 0 semicolon close curly bracket. Now we'll discuss the multi-level inheritance with syntax and example multi-level level by level from one level to another level from another level to another to next level. This is the flow of multi-level inheritance. So syntax is class, there are class 1 colon access specifier base class 1. Open curly bracket, dot dot dot, close curly bracket. Again, after that, class derive class 2 colon access specifier derive class 1, open curly bracket, dot dot dot, close curly bracket. In this example or in this syntax here, the class derive class 1 is derived from the base class 1. Again, derive class 2 is derived from the derive class 1. This is the level of inheritance. Level from base class 1, we can derive the derive class 1. From derive class 1, we have derived or we can derive the derive class 2. For example, class father column public grandfather. Then open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Inside the open curly bracket, close curly bracket, we can write the code. Then also the class son colon public father. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket. In this open and close curly bracket also we can write the code here. Inheritance and constructors and destructors. Inheritance and constructor and destructor. When an object of data class is created, first the base class constructor is called. See, remember this point. These are very important in case of inheritance. Inheritance and constructors and destructors. When an object of data class is created, the base class constructor is called, followed by data class constructor. When an object of data class expires, first data class destructor is invoked, followed by the base class destructor. Remember this, when an object of data class is created, first the base class constructor is called, followed by data class destructor. But when the object of data class expires, first the data class destructor is invoked, followed by the base class destructor. For example, class X, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, semicolon. Class Y, colon. Here in this case, the Y inherits the X, colon public X, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, semicolon. The answer here is the constructor X, then constructor Y, destructor Y, destructor X. This shows how this shows the sequence of invocation of the constructor and destructor in case of inheritance. Okay, see, when object of derived class is created, first the base class constructor is called, followed by the derived class constructor. When an object of derived class is expired, first derived class destructor is invoked, followed by the base class destructor. So, for this example, the answer is constructor of X, which is the base class constructor. Then constructor of Y, which is derived class constructor. When object of derived class expires, first derived class destructor is invoked. So, destructor of Y will invoke. Then destructor of the base class will invoke. Destructor X. Passing argument to the base class constructor. We'll discuss the passing argument to base class constructor after this lecture. Okay.